guys, it's the moment of truth. It's hot and humid out here and I'm ready to be done. But before I'm done, I want to see if this car will move under its own power. I've been working on it all day. Things kicking my butt. Well, let's see what happens. All right, battery's in. Everything I think is hooked up. Why does it sound like it has no compression? Or spark? Also, don't run your wheels with the car in the air for very long because the U-joints can bind, but I just wanted to make sure it's going to move. We got issues in the carburetor. The secondaries are dripping like crazy. But we won't worry about that right now. I can't do this with one hand. It's not automatic. e-brake and it's just wobbling and the ratchet doesn't work, so we'll worry about that later. Let's go check and make sure nothing's burning. Alright, looks like we got a little bit of an oil leak right there. That's okay. Oh, it runs so much better with the valve cover gaskets. Okay, a little bit of a leak right there. Well, this side of the radiator is hot and this side is cold. So that means the radiator is doing what it's supposed to do. We're burning something off of there. It's like one side decided it wanted to free up. There's probably crap in the bowl. That's probably what it is. No, the transmission didn't make any noise while we were driving. Other than, you know, the big hole in the exhaust in the back, it sounded pretty good. It's kind of hard to do with while holding the camera. But no, the rear end, I felt a couple pops of the posi clutches in the rear differential, but you know what? That's to be expected. It hasn't run in a long time. I did check it, it is full. It sounds so much better with the exhaust gaskets on. A little smoky, but again, it is burning a little rich. So I wish that would give it up. I wonder what that's about. Why is that pipe so much more oily than the rest? But it is what it is. I'm happy with it. That's a success.